Looking for the best Ninja blenders? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Ninja blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ninja BL480 Nutri Blender. Pros: compact model that is perfect for personal use yet is also powerful enough for cooking applications. 1000 watt motor combined with proprietary self-adjusting auto IQ technology equals outstanding results. Cons: on the loud side, but the dependable performance makes up for this minor inconvenience. Bottom line: this powerful little blender is also a great value, as well as a good choice for consumers who need a smaller but capable model. At number 2. Ninja Professional 72-ounce Countertop Blender. Pros: versatile, combining a powerful 1000 watt motor and a 6-blade assembly that transforms ice into snow in seconds. Its 72-ounce blending pitcher is handy for big batch blending. Cons: shakes still come out a little grainier and the blender is loud. Bottom line: an excellent option if you need a full-sized blender at a mid-range price. The best value for your money when it comes to Ninja blenders. At number 1. Ninja Nutri Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ. Pros: comes with a 72-ounce pitcher and several serving bowls. Powerful, sturdy and versatile. Patented technology will determine just the right amount of blending time for your drink. Cons: it's the most costly Ninja blender we reviewed. Quite large and loud. Bottom line: an unbeatable blending system with everything you need. Delivers tons of power at 1200 watts and includes numerous accessories. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.